So I'm back at this parking lot. It snowed last night, so unfortunately they got salt on the roads. They do not salt this parking lot, so I can come in here and run. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be able to get a short run in. So I got it on 4S right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get a speed run in. GPS charged today, fellas. So we're gonna go ahead and reset it. Make sure y'all seeing that. Timer started. It is windy, so hopefully she stay down. But she pretty much, hopefully she dialed in, man, ready to go. This is a 4S pass. If I get some good numbers, I'll show the bad end, man. If I get some regular numbers, I don't think I'm showing anything. All right, y'all, you should come. There's 4S, y'all. This did come in nice. Man, what's to run it on 6S today, but roads messed me up, man. Can't deal with that. 78. That's on 4S, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop the rear for y'all so y'all can see the two 2S's. Two 2S, them gold bats right on the side right there. Try to show y'all everything, you know. You can believe it, it's only 78, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. And hopefully it's supposed to be nice this weekend. I even see 70 in the forecast. So hopefully I get a good day out. Maybe it'll rain at night, wash the road, and I can get a good speed run there, because I still feel like she had more in her. I even might get a next passing, but I'm gonna let it cool down for now. All right, YouTube, excuse the wind. This is the Xtm Mad Drift. So I went ahead and got a body. I think that other body I had, it was giving me problems even on the Xtm, so I went ahead and bought a body as y'all seen in the last video. So we're gonna go ahead and get a speed run in on 4S. Unfortunately my roads is salted up, so I can't run on the road, and they don't salt this parking lot, so it's the best place for me to come right now and test it. It is on 4S, so I got the GPS on back here. We'll go ahead and stop it. I'll go ahead and start it. I mean, reset it. Sorry about that. All right, make sure y'all seeing that. Timer started. And shout out to PK0RC, Pro King 1 RC. He gave me a link for these shocks, man. They definitely did a good upgrade for me, man. Hopefully the GPS don't shut off. Let's see what we got on 4S real quick. It's like a maiden run. I just want to see what she do with this new setup, shocks, everything. Still a over-the-counter motor that I ain't put the TP in here, and I could definitely see that body from far away. So let's go ahead and run it and see if she stay down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. She just came through there. She just came through there. Yeah. Hopefully that GPS still on, man. Ooh, a little 79 on 4S. That's the warm-up, guys. That's the warm-up. To be honest with y'all, I might give it another run, but I wanted to run it on 6S today, but like I said, my roads was salted, so I really want to get some numbers with this car, man, because I'm gonna make it do what it do. The car definitely got it in it. So we're gonna go ahead and fill these temps. If not, I'm gonna get another pull in, because she was coming down there nice and smooth too. Oh yeah, she cool. Let's go ahead and pull that again, y'all. See if we could beat that 79. Nice and straight, guys. Nice and straight. Sorry about the wind, y'all. She holding her own though, I tell you that. Here she come. Oh yeah, she went up. Show y'all. She did 82 on 4S. So you know, next run should be 6S and 8S. Unfortunately, that probably won't happen till during the week. Hopefully y'all seeing that. Let me show y'all this 4S, man. And it ain't no TP in here. I'm gonna try to make this car do what it do, man. So this 4S right there, single 4S pack. I ain't trying to scrape my body up. There's a little single 4S pack in there. Y'all see that? Little single 4S China Hobby. And I got that HPI motor in the flux. I ain't no TP in there or nothing. So I'm trying to get it as fast as I can with this motor up there, and then we'll go from there. But I'm definitely liking the setup. She's sitting nice. I think I got the brakes up maybe a little bit too high. I'm getting a little spinning when I'm hitting the brakes, so we'll figure that out. But she's going nice and straight for the most part. Anyway, you guys stay tuned for this, and I'm definitely gonna get it out tomorrow on the tree, get some drag racing in. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the body. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, y'all, back at it. I'm gonna go ahead and get a speed run in on 4S still. If it break 90, I'll show y'all what I'm working with. It's just to see where I'm at with it. But we gonna get some, trust me, man, if the roads wasn't salty, I would have been getting it in. Got 78. I know the battery's dying because I caught 80 before when the GPS shut off. I ain't complaining. 78 on 4S. I don't even want to take off everything and show y'all, but y'all can see in there. That's a 2S in there. 2S, y'all see that? 2S. That's one, and then there's one on the other side. That makes 4S. So 2S in there. 2S. I don't know if y'all seen that or not, but whatever, man. It's only 78. Ain't nothing major. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. More to come.